So I said I was going to show us how to sell on Bybit, how to sell coin. So I want to sell this $76. I moved the money from my Binance. Now, when you go into your Bybit, you always use this home market, trade, and an asset. Most of the time we use the asset. So once you go to Bybit, you click on asset. It could be on home when you go in, so you click on asset. Asset will show you this, and when you go to asset, you will now click on deposit. You click on deposit. So I'm clicking on deposit now because I want to sell. Then I'm going to click on P2P trading. So I'll click on P2P. So this is P2P. So I want to sell $76. So I'm going to click on sell. So in selling, you can also guess the amount in Naira. So for me to get the proper amount, what I usually do is I go to buy. So the average is 1460. So I'll go to my calculator. So I want to sell, is it 76? So I do 1460 times 76. That's 110. So I'll just go back to my Bybit. I go to amount. $110. So it gives me an idea of how much I'm going to sell. But let me even confirm how much did I say I want to sell. Okay, 116. So I'm going to go to deposit. I'll go to P2P. Then I'll go to sell. Then I click on the amount I want to sell. So let me do 110,000. But I could also do it in USDT to be just sure of what you want to do. Okay, so let's go to sell. Let's see the amount in USDT. Okay. So this is amount in Naira. I think there is always a way to do amount in USDT as well. Do 110,000. So if you go all this one you're seeing up, that's their deception. Normally you have to go a little bit down to see your prices, because if you pick on any of these ones, like 1463 now. Okay, I think because I've chosen the amount I want to buy, I may be able to see get at 1463. Let me see. I might be able to get somebody that want to sell at 1463. Okay, so I put 110,000 that I want to buy, but this 110,000 will give me 75. That means I will give the person 75 USDT. So let me say I want to do mass. Okay, so mass will still give me 113, but I think I'm fine with 110 so that I will still have some amount there. So I'll just do 110,000. So that's 75. So at least I could get I will have $1 there or less than $half. Because I have 76 USDT. Anyway, so I'm selling 110, right? So I'll just click on sell. This one that there is tax now. We'll be asking what are we going to be putting. It will be fun. I think I like it, that event we want to do on where we are going to talk about tax and see what we are going to be putting on, whether it's gift. Okay, so I'll go to my authenticator. Okay, so that's basically how to sell. So this person now will pay the money into my account. Once the money pays into my account, I'll come back to this place and I will say I'll come back to this place and I will say that I will say release now. I'll click on release now. And once I click on release now, that's the end of the transaction. Okay, it's the end of the transaction. So that's how it is. If you are sending a large sum, like this contact you're seeing here, you can actually chat with the person that is selling. So if you are sending a large sum, some people will tell you to drop your account number. Oh, you see this one now. Even though I'm selling only 110,000, 110,000 is more money to you, is big money to some people. He's telling me to drop my account number. What this means is that if you don't drop account number, this person will not release your money, because they just want to be sure. So I'm dropping my account number because that is the only time. They just want to be sure in case you didn't send it on time and all that. So whenever you do that conversation, whenever you do that transaction, click on this, especially when you're even when you are buying too. Some of them will still ask for them for your phone number. They just want to be sure that they can call you and communicate with you. So always when you are doing this transaction, go here. And like I said, now that we're having tax in Nigeria being taken serious. They are taking out tax in Nigeria being taken serious. You may need to come here as well. So the person will ask you, the person may say, please put gift or so it's going to be a lot of fun next year. 2026 will be a lot of fun for all of us. There's nothing wrong in paying tax. Actually, there's absolutely nothing wrong in paying tax money. Oh God, it's going to be so much fun for all of us. Okay, so that's it. Basically, I just felt I should share with us how to sell, since I wanted to sell this money at this time. So it's an opportunity. So basically, that's how to sell. So I used Bybit. I said I was going to look at Bingus and also share with you how you can buy and sell on Bingus as well. So sometimes it's fast. The person may be fast enough to release it, but the person has 30 minutes. So if you are want money rush, it's not to come here. The person has good 30 minutes. So you still have good 30 minutes to wait for the person. Normally, before 30 minutes, the person would have released your money. And if you are the one buying as well, before 30 minutes, you would have, of course, released the person money and all that. So that's basically how to sell on Bybit. So see you in my next video. I always assume all of you know my name. Yeah, this is Madam Love Oladele, the queen of online business. Anyway, see you in my next video.